This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make text lowercase in Google Sheets. In the last video, I showed you how to make a group of text uppercase, and in this video, I'm going to show you the opposite of that, making text lowercase. What you do is you go to a cell and then you type the formula equal lower. And then you type a parentheses, and then you enter the cell whose text you want to change. You can either type the name of the cell or you can click on it. So if I want to make these characters or these letters lowercase, I can either type A2 here or I can click on the cell A2. And as you can see, Google Sheets will give you a preview of what the change will look like. And then you just close that parentheses and then select enter. Then you're going to want to click on this dot on the lower right hand corner of the cell and drag it down if you want to change the casing of the other cells in column A. Now, if you want the text to appear in column A, you're going to need to copy and paste this text from column F to column A, but you simply can't select it all and then copy and paste it. You're going to need to paste it special because when you click on the cell, the formula is there and not the text. So if you want this all to be lowercase, you're going to select all of the cells, then select copy, then highlight the cells over here, right click or tap your trackpad with 2 fingers, then select paste special, then select values only. So it will paste the literal text in column F to column A. And you can also use the keyboard shortcut, which will appear here. Now that I've done the special paste, all of the text here is lowercase. So this video shows you how to make text lowercase in Google Sheets. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel to view more helpful videos in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.